Amazon released a new feature under its Store Insights this week. My name is Noah Wickham. I'm a brand director here at My Amazon Guy to show you. This week, Amazon released its Engagement tab under Store Insights. You can get to this by going to your Ad Console, Brand Content, Stores, and click on Store Insights. The Engagement tab is all about how the end consumer interacts with your brand store and your products on the brand store. You can see here we have our product engagement totals for our views, clicks, click-through rate, our top clicked product, and then all of the products that are currently on the brand store and their metrics as well. It's going to be one of those really interesting ones where we can start to play around with how our brand is actually interacting with the end consumer on Amazon. The brand store is one of the only places that you really have full control over what your brand is presenting rather than you do on the product pages. So this is going to be one of those areas where we can start to play around and see, does it make more sense to have products at the top of the brand store or the bottom of the brand store? Does it make sense to have specific product pages? Does it make sense to have specific areas where we're trying to push bundles? So I'm excited to start playing around with this, see where this engagement will actually take us, but it's going to be extremely helpful for the average person to see how their products are actually doing once people are within their brand store and only looking at their products. They can see if they have one product that is actually working versus other ones and what the actual click-through rate and conversion rate is on products without having any of their competitors around. So I'm very excited to see how this will actually develop over time as well, but this is going to be an extremely useful feature for anyone who has a brand store and wants to get more insights as to how their products are doing and how their brand store layout is working out for them. If this is the type of information that you really like, feel free to like this video, subscribe, and follow My Amazon Guy for more information when it comes to Amazon and insights moving forward. Thank you.